May's market reports show that homes aren't selling as quickly as they once were. This has led many people to speculate whether something bad will happen. Will their home value depreciate? Will there be a crash? Let's talk about it. Hi, I'm Denise Swick, broker and owner of the Swick Real Estate Group. To dive deeper into this topic, let's go over some vocabulary first. Experts in the real estate industry use many terms when they talk about what's happening with home prices. Some of these words may sound a bit similar, but mean very different things. Let's look at a few terms you may hear. Appreciation is when home prices increase, and depreciation is when they decrease. Deceleration is when home prices continue to appreciate, but at a slower pace. With that in mind, you've likely heard home prices have skyrocketed over the last 2 years. This is true, yet homes were actually appreciating long before then. According to the Federal Housing Financing Agency, home prices have climbed for 122 consecutive months. That's over 10 years. Since 2020, the increase has been more dramatic because home price growth has accelerated. So why did home prices climb so much? Well, there have been more buyers than there have been homes for sale. That imbalance caused a lower supply with a higher demand, which has made prices soar. This is helpful content, yet if you're a buyer or a seller in today's market, you want to know what's going to happen with home prices in the future. Will they continue the same growth path, or will prices fall? Experts are forecasting ongoing appreciation, yet at a decelerated pace. In other words, prices will keep climbing, but not as fast as they have been. Many industry leaders have estimated how much of the price homes will go up. While most of them are different, none are calling for prices to fall dramatically. Mark Fleming, chief economist at First American, says in today's housing market, demand for homes continues to outpace supply, which is keeping the pressure on house prices. So don't expect house prices to decline a lot. Although the housing supply is starting to tick up, it's not enough yet to make home prices decline a lot. There's still a gap between the number of homes available for sale and the number of buyers looking to make a purchase. In fact, most real estate experts and economists believe home prices will continue rising. So the bottom line, experts forecast deceleration, not depreciation. Additionally, we're in a recession, and not necessarily does that mean home prices will drop. Only 2 of the past recessions have resulted in decreased home values, 1991 and again in 2008. The housing market today is still very different than those periods. So if you are considering selling this summer, it is a good time. I have the strategies, experience, and knowledge to get you the highest price and best terms. Call me at 937-629-SOLD or visit deniseswick.com. And remember, performance outsells promises.